All right, guys, take a look at the ICP based on this dashboard. I highly recommend you use this dashboard because it's just a brand new indicator. So market moves on a daily, it's A3 direction neutral on 1 hour time frame, ADZ and 4 hour time frame neutral. Money power MACD divergence on a daily, it's bullish. It's a nice one. And all other is neutral, but it's just that time frame what I added. You know, you can open the dashboard and adjust your time frames. I got a plan out. Withdraw my initial deposit at $6, around $6, maybe a little bit earlier, right? So now we try and test this one, the buy line below $5.42. I bought Algo on Algo ICP and 1 inch. Of course, I bought that 3 tokens, but only ICP now, 1 token pump it. So I bought around here like 259, I guess. So basically now I'm already could be in profit 100%. I need to double check, but I guess around 6. I added my alerts to $6 to out at withdraw my initial deposit. So I need to double check what was the average entry of that dump. So this is amazing how we dump, you know, and congrats everybody who took a risk, you know. But guys, once again, on this cycle, it's never a mistake to withdraw initial deposit. It sounds silly sometimes, like, oh, why if we are in potential upcoming crazy parabolic altcoin season, cash out and fix the 50%, you know, of the tokens. If you could make a lot of money if we go higher. What if not? What if it will not go higher? That's the point, guys. The same things people think here. So I will not fix the profit, not withdraw my initial deposit because we should go higher. We dump it again. So guys, it's never a mistake to withdraw your initial deposit. Save your initial money, you know, after that, right even to, I don't know, to 1K with ICP. What will be next with the ICP, I will totally don't care. I might mark my next targets and the global one targets and can ride with zero risk. So that's the point. The same story I will do with the 1 inch on a spot position. Some spot position I will fix at the break even. I already explained it to you because now on many tokens I'm in the unrealized losses, and it's okay. Sometimes it's happened. So I'm not a genius who always pretend to be right. No, of course not. But sometimes, guys, I fix the profits. Sometimes I withdraw initial deposits. Sometimes I cut my losses, like I did with Ganapats. I lost a lot of money with the Ganapats. Not a lot of money, but I lost the money with the Ganapats because it's delisted from the Bybit. And yes, I just cut my losses and move on. So sometimes this happens. It's a risky market. That's why, guys, it's never a mistake to fix initial deposits. So now we try on the weekly time frame, test below $5.48 a buy line. Take profit line on the weekly time frame, it's $10.82. And usually, you know, we can form something like this one, like 1, 2, 3, test the hypothetical downtrend line, come back, maybe even to the buy line again, and move like this one. So this is it. Targets like 1557, 2098 still relevant. So nothing basically changed. No makes sense now to talk about higher price targets. Let's focus only on this block. So this is a weekly time frame. Let's double check, guys, on the daily so we can close the dashboard. On the daily here, the take profit line 591. Basically around here I add my alerts not on trading but added on Binance. So here 588, it's a take profit. This is a liquidity pool, what I mark it March 25. Exit line 664. Will I regret or be in FOMO if we test, for example, 630, 667, $7, $8 if I could fix the profit at A6? Of course not. I don't care. I follow my plan. So that's a beauty of the trades. You know, you don't care what will happen next with the token. If you get a plan, you stick to your plan and you just take an action or not. So it was the dump. Some tokens, by the way, some tokens dump and close 50% of the week. ICP didn't. Nice one. But we tested it several times. The buy line now go higher. Like you can see on a daily, here we got a signal to buy. Here's a take profit. Soon we will see the signal Sell. This is a take profit from that swing trade. So it's not a mistake to fix some profit. It was a sell in June. Here's a take profit from the sell. Here's a buy. Here's a take profit from the buy. Of course, it's just a swing trade. Global one investment target still higher. But we work with the risk management, and I want to fix my initial deposit. That's why take profit targets I showed you. The 12 time frame, take a look. On 12 time frame, we saw the sell. Here's a take profit sell. Now the road is straightforward to 563. If we not reject now, buy line, it's 252. Hard to say, should we drop to 252, but it's possible. It's possible, guys. 4 time frame, the buy line start curve up, it's $2.18. I don't think so we're gonna drop that low, but it's possible. And this is we trade over exit line. So technically it's like not a mistake to fix some profit. ADZ direction, dashboard. ADZ, I showed the direction here, 2 times ADZ. This is a daily time frame, not a crazy distribution, not accumulation. So we just passed the middle line, so it's neutral. We go to the top, but without any money outflow. Not a money outflow, not a fixation profit. Here was a fixation profit in June. Here was accumulation. Nice one. Weekly, we've been here with the warranty, crazy the warranty here. September 23, 282. 2, and here's the warranty October 25, $1.16. So it was a pure warranty on a weekly time frame. Now we go higher. Can we see something like this one? Yes, of course, guys. We can go even to 0. Any token can go to 0. So just in case, if you didn't know, on the crypto, everything is possible. So now we try and break the middle line equilibrium of the ADZ. So time to sell will be here, just in case. Also trying to break the middle line of direction. So I'm more bullish for November. That's why target's relevant. Trade on, I showed you the last 2 indicators, market mood and money power. Market mood in the capital disbelief zone on weekly. This was capitulation, so it was a great time to buy. Money power, money in was only here in February, 6.55. Now we drop it to the bottom, no money inflow, past the middle line. So nothing special like. And in capitulation, ICP since May 25. So it's good time to buy. Monthly accumulation by whales was in June 25 at 431. That's why I'm more than sure at 10 we will see some seller pressure, maybe some correction. So this is also, we tested the bottom. This is a capitulation on the monthly. It's really, really bullish. And time to sell will be at the top like it was here in March 24. That's it. So guys, targets relevant. I just shared my plan, what I will do next with ICP, with that entries. So highly recommend to build your own plan and follow your plan. If you like to trade with my customer, because I will show it in this video, write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.